Hello everyone and welcome to the West Coast Park in Singapore today. I have come here in the evening and thought that I'll just give you a glimpse of the park. As you can see, a lot of hens and cocks around here. This is the West Coast Park in Singapore. This is the West Coast Park in Singapore. As you can see, it looks quite beautiful. Greenery all around. The harbor is right next to it. Singapore, if you look at the city, it has got some very nice trees all around. This is another very different kind of plant, something we don't see in India and something very unique. The leaves look very beautiful because you don't have much of dust in Singapore, so the leaves are very lush green, as you can see all around. Of course, the West Coast Park has been very well maintained and kept. Interesting that you have dog wash centers here. It says that it washes, the dog wash, the company washes over 1 million dogs worldwide each year. If you can see there, the park is very well maintained, and what they're doing is basically trimming the leaves, which are sort of obstructing something. I don't know what it is obstructing, but there's a truck with a ledge and a person on it who is cutting the trees. My hotel was right next to the West Coast Park, but as you can see, if you're coming from far off, you have a car parking space also. Some of the cars are parked there, so obviously a lot of people coming down. It is around 5:30, quite sunny. So in Singapore the sun sets late probably. Another area where some sort of maintenance is going on, as you can see, they are cutting some of the leaves, probably to keep it nice and healthy. There's a water body over here, very similar to ponds in India, but not very well maintained, this one, but right in the middle of the park. This is the map of the West Coast Park. These are the features which are there. So vending machine, dog run, car park, inside a car park obviously. There are toilets and shelters. So it's showing that I am here. So sort of in the center, you can say. This is the sign which is showing I'm here right next to the water body. As you can see, people are also jogging, cycling, doing all sorts of activities. I saw some of the older people having some leisure out there. That's a place to sit out, so in case you are tired after some activity, you can sit out. This part is lush green. There's the water body which we have crossed. There goes one gentleman running by. You see a lot of dogs being brought just right now. A couple of golden retrievers crossed me, and you can see there one lady is bringing a couple of dogs. Can't decipher the breed though. And as I was talking of golden retrievers, I think you see one coming. This is an area where probably they are planting newer trees, as we can see. So obviously, while they are cutting down some, or not cutting down completely, basically trimming the leaves, they are also planting new ones. There's Mr. Goldie. signboard, we have reached at a place. As you can see, the right side is the program, and then there are toilets, car parks, and fountain. We saw the car park. This is quite thick. If you see this side of the road, this side of the road is having new plantations, but this one is pretty thick. Now this looks like a dog park. It is closed on all sides, and inside I can see people with their dogs. As you can see, very from a distance. I'll try to give you a closer look. Let me try and go inside. Okay, so this is the entry to the dog park. So we were seeing from the other angle, obviously. As you can see, there are two doors with latches, so that there is no chance of dogs escaping. Now, if you liked this video, found it informative to some extent, and got a glimpse of Singapore, I'd request you to please like, subscribe, and share my channel so that it reaches out to more subscribers like you. Thank you.